and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and you'll notice a little different background behind me because I'm traveling right now on my way to Arizona to set up our first Carrier Guidelines event as we open new chapters of Actionable Insights in Arizona and Colorado this week. Today in this Xact Hacks video, I want to talk about sending Xactimate projects to Excel. Xactimate actually gives us a really easy tool to work with here, but it doesn't capture all the information that's in your estimate, so I wanted to highlight what is or is not included when you use this tool. First off, as you can see, I have an Xactimate 20 estimate open, and I have two rooms here, a kitchen and an entry foyer. In the kitchen, I have 3 line items with no F9 notes. In the entry foyer area, I have a bolded header per our Actionable Insights formatting standards, and there's an F9 note included in this final line item. So first off, where do we find this Send to Excel tool? Well, if you come up here to the top left and you hit Project, and you go down to the Tools section, at the top you should see Send to Excel. When you click this, it will bring up a new box that says, what would you like to save this as? I'm going to use the pre-prompted Book 1, and then I'm going to open it right here. And as you can see, it has the line items that I have in my estimate. If I bring back the estimate items here, we can review quickly what it actually includes and doesn't include. So group code and group description is showing you that this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen area, all the line items that were included in that one area. It has the line item description pulled straight out of Xactimate. It has the quantity that was there. We are using a zeroed out price list that doesn't include zeros for the purposes of our Xact Hacks videos. So this information would be captured if you were using a normal price list. And here is the entry foyer and the line items. Of note, there is no bolded header or separate line for the note. So if you have a standalone note in your estimate, it will not be transferred over into Send to Excel. Along that line, you can see there was no F9 note that was captured. So this is simply pulling the line items out of Xactimate and sending them to Excel. This can be great for organizational value. This can be great when you're analyzing an estimate or you want to run some Excel formulas on the various numbers that are included within your estimate, but it doesn't capture everything, especially the formatting, organization, F9 justification notes that you might be using. But this can be an incredible tool to use, especially as if you're new to Xactimate, Excel might be a slightly more familiar program for you to work with to understand kind of how these numbers are created, etc. This has been another Xact Hack. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon.